National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ozark County, western Douglas County, northeastern Taney County, southeastern Christian County, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Taneyville or 12 miles northeast of Forsyth, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ava, Garrison, Rome, Squires, Brown Ranch, Bradleyville, Good Hope. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Christian, Douglas, Ozark, and Taney.